Hey y'all, so I got my packages. It is a lot of packages, and we're gonna start opening them because I can't just keep them right here. Yeah, I finally found the perfect way to use my Coach notebook. I am so pleased that I made this purchase, even though this planner is so small. I'm not gonna say it's so small, it's a notebook size, but I turned it into my own little planner and journal combo. The planner is for 2026, but because I didn't want to wait until January 2026 to get organized, I went ahead and started now. But I'm going to start using it for like my to-do list and just to keep up for everyday things that's happening right now. But I'm not going to use the planner until 2026. I added a to-do list section for my everyday duties, mom life content, self-care. It just helps me keep my mind calm and at ease with knowing my day will be smooth. I feel like journaling is such a safe space for me. It's where I could dump all my thoughts, all my goals, my self-accountability. This is honestly my way of balancing every day, everything, having a cute little notebook that makes me want to write in it. That makes a huge difference. So I just wanted to show you guys how I DIY'd my Coach notebook to fit into my life to work for me. I never wanted to purchase a planner that I don't use. I always wanted things to be functional. So this is a way that I can personalize from journaling to planning and then having my to-do list. So I'm just showing you guys what all I use and the things I accumulated basically for this little notebook. I actually brought some extra items that I really don't need and I'm not going to use because it made the book too bulky, and I don't want it to be too bulky. I just want it to be fitting for my everyday life. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys sit back and watch how I put all of this together, and then I will let you all know my thoughts about it, and I'll show you guys the full completed look before the video ends. I was just getting my hair done and it was getting late, so I'll show you guys by the end of this video how everything came together. Hey y'all, I am recording on my little Osmo. I'm just getting myself a little put together. I'm about to go and get my nails done. Camera is getting fixed. It was having some software issues and thankfully it's covered under the warranty. My eyes are still a little puffy. I just woke up, just got out the shower. Still have this like natural nude color on my nails. I'm not sure if y'all can see it or if it's picking up the same color or whatever. But yeah, I was thinking about going with like a fall color, like a certain color like you feel at different times of the season, because that'd be me. Like certain colors like I won't like all year until a certain season come around. This is fall and I love to pick out nice cozy what books I'm gonna pick up to read for this fall. Doing my hair and makeup, like it don't even have to be a lot of work, but this makes me feel like I'm becoming myself again. Like I just, this, I feel like this is a part of a self, not just a self-care, but a self-encouragement. Yeah, today I really didn't feel like it, but guess what? I'm about to go and get my nails done. I'm gonna enjoy this time to myself. And I feel like this camera is showing more yellow than the right balance. But the show must go on. My ends got clipped and I really love my hair. All right, I will see you guys at the nail shop. So I'm gonna show y'all basically this is the before. Okay, so now let me show y'all this notebook. How is it blue? How is the lightning blue? Like, oh no. It's just, I don't know. I just can't wait to get my, I can't wait to get my camera back, because like, it's like it really don't matter where I stand, it's just, the lightning is chopped and screwed. I still have makeup on my hand, let me get that off. I see the nails. Okay, let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, this is my Coach notebook that I basically DIY into my own personal planner slash journal. And I'm gonna give you guys a tour right now. So I already explained to y'all about the quality of the video. It's because I am recording on my phone. My camera is in the shop. I guess it's the Coach outlet or something. I generally like to journal. Just a little backstory. And I'm just gonna use this as a little eye candy. I generally like to journal. I spoke before about how I have like 7 different journals for so many things, as far as household, family, cleaning, cooking, organizing, groceries, like just different things. It's easier if I can have something like close like that I can carry around. And I didn't even know Coach made like nice little notebooks. So I was just online and I was just browsing and I came across this, and next thing you know, I went ahead and just started doing a little research, started looking at YouTube, TikTok, and I see like not only I think about this, but it's other women out here that think like this too. Looking this up helped me have a more in-depth insight on what it is I'm going for. First off, I purchased this little pouch from Amazon, and this is to hold like my pens and highlighters. And I will link everything in the description box as well. I got these, they are paper clips. My hands are still dry, from Etsy, and I have 3 of those. Okay, y'all, so let's open her up. All right, so I did DIY my own little setup stuff, right? So I needed this to work for me, okay? So this is the way I'm gonna be doing this. I didn't go off anyone else's, how they set it theirs up, because what works for them is what works for them, and what works for me is what works for me. On the first page, I have the tabs holding like whatever important papers. I got this clip from Walmart, but to hold whatever important papers. Those are papers that has to be returned to my kiddos' school ASAP. So I wanted to make sure that each time I open this, I make sure I sign it and send it back to the school with them. So this is entering into my planner. This is for 2026, and even though it's not 2026 yet, it's approaching, and I just wanted to be prepared. And I still want to go probably to Dollar Tree and get me like the end of the year, the 2025, 2026, and just throw it in here just for now, like just a small one, y'all know. Created a picture, got it printed out at Walgreens, and cut around it, let it fit the size of the binder. I got this clear binder. It's like, it has like glitter on it. I got this clear binder from Amazon as well. This is the opening of the binder, and this picture I cut out and printed out at Walgreens as well. So I just basically attached it to the front of the binder, like the inside and the cover part. So I cut the cover of the Coach notebook and punched holes in it so it can fit my binder. This binder is a A6. Turning the page of my planner, I have my to-do list. To do, and then I just put the date and then put whatever it is I need down. And it is like front and back. So when I'm done with this page, I'm just gonna attach it to this and still keep this clip on there because the clip says now. I also have these grocery tabs. Now these I purchased off Amazon. I didn't have to punch any holes in them. But this, to the grocery list, this is the other clip that I was telling y'all about. And each time I feel like when I write my to-do list down, I'm just gonna take it out for that day or whatever, because I'll be done with it. And then same as this, you know, just whatever it is I write and I complete it, I'm just gonna rip it out. Now, and this is, yeah, so I don't have that many pages of the grocery, but I do have a lot of them upstairs and not so flimsy. I cut out a piece of my old planner and just put it back here and put holes in it, you know, cut it to the sides, whatever. This is the 2026 planner, and it look like this. I also brought this paper holder here. This is also for like things to be, for like papers or, you know, invitations or whatever that I have extra. I can just hold it on this, and I have I printed these pictures out at Walgreens and just put them here and on my planner. So yeah, and I made it kind of sturdy so that if I pin something right here, it won't be as flimsy. I was thinking about turning it this way, but then no, I'll just keep it this way. So now, entering my journal. Now, I recently had 2 journals in here, but both of the journals were 60 pages. Equals out to like 120 pages for both. And I didn't want 2 of them in here. I just wanted one nice journal that I could have in here. Yeah, and I just went ahead and used like the glue or whatever and put this portrait on there. And yeah, so it could stay. But it said like notes and plans, but I covered it up because I really like those photos. And yeah, so this is our journal, personal information. And then I haven't wrote anything in here yet. I just recently got this one from Walmart, and I really like this one. The pages are fairly nice, and also I like that they have a tab to let me know like what page I'll be on or whatever. So yeah, so just say like I'm here, and then I'll know I left off. I ain't gotta go through everything. I can just, you know, flip it open. Yeah, and then that is basically it. I put like some, where did the stickers go? Oh. I put like some stickers up in here. I really love those. They are so cute. And yeah, so that is it for my Coach. Hold on. Yeah, so basically that is it for my Coach journal. I really love her, and I'm so thankful to welcome her into the family, basically. And I still have my other journals upstairs. They will serve their purpose as we go. And yeah, so I'm gonna start another vlog for you guys, and I will just basically see y'all in the next video. Bye. I'm good.